Another way is to make money online is 7 lead set. Another way to make money online is by collection leads. The main steps you need to complete to make lead sales work includes setting up a website, getting traffic to that website, and making sure you are collecting leads that someone will actually pay for. Is a good example of how leads sales can work in real life. My second website, Life Insurance by Jeff, brings in a ton of traffic from people who are searching the web to find answers to life insurance questions. While I used to have the website set up so I could sell these people life insurance myself, it was a lot of work to process all the different requests and clients. As a result, I started selling the leads I gathered instead. Keep in mind, thought you can sell leads in many different industries, not just life insurance. Really, you just need to figure out a niche, build a website and traffic, and see how much you can get for the leads you collect. Another way is to freelance writing. If you have writing skills and creative talent, it's also possible to get paid to create online contents. I don't do this as much as I used to, but I am very aware of how viable this income stream is. One blogger I know, Holly Johnson, actually makes over $20,000 per year creating contents for other websites, and actually that's on top of the 6 figures she earned with her blog Club Therapeutic. Holly told me she started writing content in 2011. At the time, she still worked a full-time job but creation contents online part-time to supplement her income. Over time, she was able to double and triple her rates until she could quit her full-time job to write. These days, she makes bank as a freelance writer and teaches others to go to the same via her online courses, earn more writing. According to Johnson, the key to making it as a freelance writer is figuring out a niche, networking with people who might hire you, and delivering high quality content 100% of time. While there are a ton of writing jobs boards to help you get started, she says it's fairly easy to find starter writing jobs on websites like upwork.com. In next episode, we will be discuss about the another ways to make money online, which is very easy and successful life. Thank you.